We're often asked, how long is my case going to take? How long before I'm able to see some sort of resolution? The answer is it's impossible to say because it has so many different things that go into it. And frankly, any attorney or firm who can specifically say it's going to take 4 months, 6 months, 8 months is not being forthright, and it's probably a red flag in terms of whether or not that's a person you want to retain. At bottom, a typical case will take minimum a year because a year is needed to establish the facts and, more importantly, understand the impact that the injury has had on the individual. It's very difficult within 6 months of an injury to know, have you fully healed? Have you fully recovered? What is it that you're looking at going forward? And then there's also the added component of what are the medical bills? Have they been paid? Have they been resolved? So all of those issues influence how long a case takes. And one of our goals here is to never end a case without every single question being answered and tying up every loose end. When a client walks out at the end of their case with whatever recovery they've made, they need to know, and we need to make sure they know, all your bills have been paid for and covered, or what remains to be paid, what remains to be covered, what health insurance has covered, what they haven't covered, what it is that needs to be addressed, if anything, going forward. And so all of those things necessarily extend the life of a case typically into the multiple years. And frankly, that's the only real way to get assurance that all of the open-ended questions have been answered.